Hi there, this video is about a revocable living trust and the appointment of a trustee. So first, what is a revocable living trust? This is the type of trust we will be preparing for you if you've gotten a trust plan with our company. A revocable living trust has several key characteristics. So let's start. First, it's revocable, which means during your lifetime, after we've created this document, you can change it and you can cancel it. So you have flexibility. Living trust, the living part, means that you created it during your lifetime and that you have access to it during your lifetime. And then the trust part, a trust in general terms means giving someone assets for the benefit and to be managed for the benefit of others. So think of it as a legal entity that holds assets for your benefit during your lifetime, and then upon your passing for the benefit of others. By putting your assets in trust, we avoid the need to have probate because a trust will continue to live on as an entity and not an individual, and the trustee will be replaced. Okay, so who is a trustee? The trustee is, in a general terms, the person who is appointed to manage the assets of the trust that the trust owns for the benefit of the beneficiaries that are listed therein. So as a revocable trust, you will list yourself, and if you're married, yourself and your spouse as trustees to begin. Upon one of your passings, if you're married, or upon your passing, we go to the backup. So we put in multiple layers. So if you're single and you have a trust, you will have backup trustees in case you become incapacitated or you pass away. If you're married, we will have the spouse, the surviving spouse remain as the single trustee. And then upon that surviving spouse passing away, we then roll over to backup trustees. Generally speaking, if you have adult children, that's usually who's put in those spots, but not always. If you have minor children, you definitely want to have someone that you trust managing those assets for your children. And you definitely want to make sure it's someone that you think will make good financial decisions and that is organized with paperwork and not afraid to deal with those types of things. If you have questions about who you can appoint or about what a revocable trust is, you know how to reach us. Just remember, we want to have backups in case something happens to your first choice. If you have any questions, please reach out.